Now we can all.
Go.
Oh, sweet. Cool. What? What? Just hit.
Oh, that was fast. Madeline, you're the winner.
Hey,
The winner takes all.
Hey, we got a box for Christmas? No way. Alright.
Woohoo!
Can I
Yep.
open this?
Yes, Kendall.
Thank you.
Don't make it hard on you, kid.
I've been wondering if it's for like Ed.
I did.
Cool. Keep opening it. Keep opening it. Here, look. Start right here. Cool. Walkie-talkies. Whoa, cool. Hey, there you go.
That's from
Yeah,
Ariana.
that's from Ariana.
Onto
look.
Ariana.
Caleb got a box too. Whoa.
Uh-oh, is Caleb going to be able to open that box?
He got big boost. He got big boost. Hey, Matchbox. Keep going, Matchbox.
What is it, Caleb?
Keep going. Keep going. Cool. I got walkie-talkie. We can spy on people.
I got Matchbox.
Madeline, now we can spy on people.
I got Matchbox.
We can spy on
Help me
them.
take
Mama
the-
see.
Help me take the cardboard off of that because I had to
Now we
make
can
it square.
Now we can
Here,
spy
let
on
Mommy
people.
see.
I know which one I know. Can you
I'm gonna get that. Open. Toy. It's
Look,
gonna be
it has a
awesome.
little magazine on it. On the side of it. Dang, this is hard to keep open.
You probably need a little.
Oh,
There you go. Open the taped parts.
take parts.
I wanna play Matchbox. I thought I opened them. I thought I opened them.
Whoa, big boost guy. Look at that. Take it.
Which one is it, Caleb?
Show mommy. Look, let mommy see.
Look at big Matchbox.
Ooh, did you ask Santa for that?
Whoa, that is so cool.